So this is going to be a quick unboxing of the OnePlus 6T. This is OnePlus's latest flagship smartphone. It's running the Qualcomm Snapdragon 845 processor with either 6 gigs or 8 gigs of RAM, 6.4-inch AMOLED display, in-display fingerprint sensor, and USB-C and all that type of stuff. So right here, this is actually the media kit. This is sent out to reviewers and whatnot. This is not actually what if you bought it from OnePlus, this is not what you would get. You just get basically the phone. You get just the phone itself, which would be like this box, which 6 logo on the front, OnePlus logo, and then on the side OnePlus 6T logo. As you can see here, this is the midnight black version with 128 gig of storage. This has 8 gigs of RAM. This one retails for about the OnePlus 6T starts at $719 Canadian and goes up to $839 Canadian for the 256 midnight black and 8 gigs of RAM. So push that off to the side for a second. What else in this kit? We got some cases for the OnePlus 6T. This is like a silicone case. Another silicone, like other cases. This one has more of a kind of grippy type of finish on it. This one comes in a nice red color. This is OnePlus's latest USB-C bullet earbuds, because the phone does not have headphone jack, so you have to use the included adapter and whatnot. So here is the earbuds itself. Cleaning cloth, and let's take inside the box. One second. Settings here, it says OnePlus community, a collection of individuals possessed of a tremendous understanding and superior taste in the finest technology. What's important is that they're part of what we do, and that includes you. It's a nice little message from OnePlus. Take that off, and now dig inside the box. So here's the phone itself. As mentioned earlier, this comes with an in-display fingerprint sensor, similar to the Huawei Mate 20. So you would put your finger on right here, and it would unlock the phone. There's the dual camera setup, one 16 megapixel lens and one 20 megapixel lens, volume rocker, power button, and whatnot. USB-C port and speaker grills. What else inside the box is invitation letter, which is like a little message from Peter Lau, who is the CEO of OnePlus. You see here, just welcoming you to the OnePlus community, whatnot. Here you have OnePlus's fast charging wall adapter and a USB Type A to Type C cable and a Type C to 3.5 millimeter headphone jack. So yeah, that's been a quick unboxing of the OnePlus 6T. It's available now, starting at $719 Canadian, and goes all the way up to $840 Canadian. So yeah, that's been a quick unboxing of the OnePlus 6T.